Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to activate Inactivate Payment method. Log into your demo account. You can see the different payment methods. Go to Configuration and Payment Methods. Now go to SEPA Payment option and uncheck the active box. Click Save. Now go to Configuration and Cache Performance. Clear the cache. Click on Start Process to compile the changes. Refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.